Bit of trepidation today. We're going to a place, it's called an abandoned city, $100 billion abandoned city. I'm not sure if it's a good move or not. It's only got one hotel, so we've booked that hotel. Is it as bad as it sounds? Let's check it out. I'm just waiting here. We're at this Hako Hotel, lovely hotel actually. Great, I recommend it. There's nothing near it unfortunately, but it's a really nice hotel. If you don't need to get anywhere, it's perfect. But I've just ordered a grab and we're off to an abandoned city. So I'm not sure how I feel about this place really. It's sort of quite ominous looking to think this was built for 1,000,000 residents and barely has, from what I understand, a few hundred. Now, is it a gated community? Forest City. So apparently the land this city is built on is predominantly reclaimed land. So I can hazard a guess the Dutch have been involved. Forest City National School. So there's a school there just to the right. This beautiful big building in the center here, all covered in plants. Marina Hotel, look at this place. Wow. It's got a grand entrance. Is it a 5-star hotel? So what do you think so far, Michelle? This is huge.
Absolutely huge.
But there's almost no one here.
No. Side by side.
This is a vast lobby. Okay, so we've checked in. We've got vouchers for our lunch or dinner. They're saying lunch or dinner. And vouchers for a water park. A children's like a water park. And it is actually a 5-star hotel. So very impressive. And you can see this will be where the breakfast is served, I would imagine. Well, I didn't actually know it was a 5-star hotel. Oh, wow. We got twins, Michelle. I forgot about that, yes. But that's okay. They only had twins on the booking. It's not that I don't want to sleep with Michelle. Mind, they're big twins.
Yeah.
They're big twins. It's almost like 2 double beds. Oh, nice. Look at this. We're looking out over Singapore. That's beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, that's nice.
And also, so I can continue to make the videos for you and for us, got a nice little desk as well. A couple of dressing gowns as well. We've got dressing gowns, haven't we? We've got a nice big bath, but also, over this side, a giant. Can't even get back far enough to get it all in. A big giant shower and a modern WC with a bum gun. So one thing I'm pleased with is we've arrived about 1 o'clock and check-in is generally 3 o'clock and they let that ride, so that's good. I hate it when hotels are really picky and they make you sit around in the lobby for 2 hours. We're good, we're gonna chill and then we're gonna explore this. Look, I mean, I suppose the beach in a way says it all. There's nobody on it. Not a sausage. The pools also, beautiful pools down here. Nobody using them. I suspect there's nobody next door. Duty free here, look. So there's a duty free shop. I'll just turn that up so you can see. Now, it's duty free, but the gentleman informed me if you buy any booze here, you have to consume it here because there's a checkpoint on the way off of the island. I don't know, would they search a grab? So there's a KK grocery store. There's a few places, Michelle. So a Japanese restaurant, teppanyaki. Do you know what that building is over there? No. So here is that building, which we're not even sure. It's very hot at the moment, but. So this is the sales gallery. A grab drop-off point. Forest City sales counter. Oh, wow. Wow, look at this. How amazing is this? Wow, look at this.
So that's where we're staying. Marina Hotel.
So that's the hotel we're staying. Get the scale of this, Michelle. You go ahead of me. Land yet to be developed. And get the scale of this. Size of this place. Amazing. The scale of the building. Can I mix with mango? Do you have raisin? You have? Okay, mix mango and raisin. Okay, thank you, bro. Michelle, it's Valentine's, Michelle. We're gonna have we'll share it, shall we?
Oh yeah, because we've got ice cream for dinner, I think.
Yeah, if you can. It's okay, the video? You happy? Oh, do you have like a cone or no?
Yeah, cone, no, only cup.
Oh, cup.
Only cup.
That's okay.
The pretty umbrella.
Ah, thank you, man. Terima kasih. So we're gonna share this, are we, Michelle?
Yeah, we are. Save me some.
Save me some. So he's given us 2 spoons as a little sharing. Mango and raisin. Oh, it's nice and refreshing. Thank you, sweetheart. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. Look at the turtles.
So look, the only people here are staff. So they've got a water park and they've got a little train. Is anyone on it? Hello. £5 per person. So there are a few people here. I don't want to be filming the children, but there's 1 or 2 families. And there are some people on the beach. But mostly, look at this.
Oh, the seals on the beach.
Seals on the sand. Now it's hot o'clock, so I think Michelle and I think we're going to call it a day and go and get a little relaxed. But you can see, you pick your deck chair, pick your beach. There's nobody down here. It's absolutely beautiful. And they've got what look like king coconut trees there as well, with the yellow coconuts.
Look like they're nearly ready.
And that is Singapore. So over there is Singapore. It looks quite industrious, Singapore, in the background. But how beautiful is this? Hello guys. Hello. Where did you get this? Over there. Yeah. Are you all in?
Hello.
One from Penang, Kuala Lumpur, JB, Johor Bahru.
Yeah.
Nice. And you're working in the hotel, right?
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Nice. We just had a little chat with these guys, and they're 3 boys, all from different parts of Malaysia. And there's a mixu. Now we bought ice cream for 10 ringgit here. You can probably get it for 1 ringgit.
I'm sure.
But the lad was nice. Got to give him some business. He's out there all day. But mixu. This is like an ice cream, McDonald's version of ice cream.
22. Ice cream, toffee, hazelnut latte.
Oh, that sounds nice. Is it okay make a video? You're happy? Lemonade and a coffee toffee
Hazelnut.
hazelnut. Well, that's nice. Potentially there's 1 million residents could live here. Almost everyone we've spoken to so far is either staff or they're just come for the day to use the pools. Hello, how are you? Oh, police bike here, yeah? What bike is that? Mondenas. So we just had a lovely long talk with the police. They're both here, police officers. They were very happy. Local people from JB. I've got to say though, I'd say 90%. I was going to say 80%, but I think 90% of the people here are staff.
Yeah.
And we're staying around the hotel, so it's probably the most busy area. A staircase to Singapore. I don't know if you'd go up there, would you? That is really cool. So it's like a staircase. Wow.
That's it. It's getting very narrow and little up here.
I'll go up. Is that even possible? Wow, that's cool. I'd go right to the top. I'm not sure how strong that little peninsula is. I'm not worried about the balance. I'm more worried about how thick is it under there? It looks pretty thin. There's a Volkswagen Beetle over there. I think a few too many people have jumped on the roof. This is one that's looks like it's had the, probably put the Porsche engine in this one. Yeah, look, it's got the big exhaust on the back and the spoiler. Wow, this place is so quiet. Well, they've got recycling, plastic, tins, cans and paper. So it's giving off ghost city vibes, but there clearly are people here, even if they are mainly staff. Here are the pools that we can see. So that means our room is just up there. There are a couple of people in the pool. 3 people in this beautiful pool complex. And nobody in the lifeguard chair. Quite disturbing. Nobody here. There's a play park. So the North Tower is here. We can get the elevators up. So the sun is starting to go down. We're going to go down and check out what is available for dinner. Hello, man. Hello, how are you? It's okay? You don't mind? You don't mind, okay. Dawish, hello, Dawish. Don't forget to subscribe, as Dawish says. So we've come down a little bit early. So I'm going to start a little bit of steamed rice, because why not? So they've got some steamed rice here with parsley. Just a little bit. I'm not going to have too much. I fancy some of that chicken rendang that I've just seen over here. So where did I see that? Chicken rendang. Okay. So this looks kind of nice. Got nice herbs and spices with it.
That looks nice.
Does look nice, doesn't it, Michelle? The mussels have got to be good. Do you think the mussels will be good? I'm always a bit worried about having mussels, but it's a 5-star hotel. The mussel quality should be good, so I fancy. It would be nice if they did some frites, moules frites. But come in here, just have a little look. This beef rendang looks kind of nice. The flavours are very good. They got great flavours. I'd say I'm a little disappointed the food is not as hot as it should be. I don't think they've even got the heaters on underneath the dishes, which surprises me a little bit. But the flavours are good. Just going to pop it in the bowl here. Take a little chili and soy sauce. So I've made my own little bowl of noodles with fresh vegetables. Beautiful. So it's quite a nice little idea that I can imagine it's going to get quite messy though if a lot of people are trying to make noodles. Okay, I've got myself some mussels which I'll have after my noodles. I thought I'd get in there because I'm not sure if they'd be stocking them up with fresh ones, and on the far table they looked really nice. See if I can get one mussel out. Okay. Yes, They're cold, but now I have a little set of tongs to attack the other mussels. I'm going to say they're too cold. They're a little bit too cold. And I'm hoping they're at least fresh. You know, they're trying to bring this up to 5-star. They say it's a 5-star hotel, don't they? But I think little things, like having the food hot, was really important to know, to getting that star rating. But they're not bad mussels. Right, I'm gonna put that aside. Hopefully it doesn't kill me. Go back to my beef rendang.
Chicken. You just want beef rendang. It's chicken.
It is chicken. I am rendang. Okay, Michelle. One of the ladies was brave enough to go up and ask for ice cream. So we've all got a bit of ice cream. Strawberry, huh? Yeah, the little girl. They were, the little kids were there, were like saying, "What, do you have chocolate?" I said, "They have mint chocolate." So I asked if they could have a little bit on a spoon. They were like trying it. What am I on about, Michelle? I'm being a good father to children that aren't mine.
Yeah.
Oh, look how quiet and peaceful it is at night. The pool is empty. Look at that. So I think the tide has gone out. There seems to be a bit of dry land there. I'm going to be honest with you. I was going to say it'd be tough to make a living. With the right business, I was younger, you can make a lot of money here. Make a lot of money, in my opinion.